Basuyi of GKS Benin City branch. Brapa Basuyi, you are welcome.
Thank you very much.
Indeed, I have been following your activities here in Benin City branch, and I can say I'm quite impressed. Brapa Basuyi, you have been in Benin branch for a very long time.
Yes.
What year did you actually join the faith?
1973.
1973.
Yes.
Yes, 1973. Can you tell us how you joined the faith? Before you joined the faith, you used to belong to a particular organization.
Yes. Before I joined the faith, I was a member of the Roman Catholic Mission.
Okay.
I was baptized in Roman Catholic Mission in 1959.
Okay.
Since then, I've been there until 1973, when I decided to join the GKS.
Yes, before that, I remember you telling us how some of the GKS members were telling you to join the faith.
Yes, in fact, how I know the GKS is through Brother J.E. Lebejo.
You mean the chairman of
Benin branch?
Benin branch, okay.
I was working with him that time. I started working with him in 1968 during the war. It was that 1968 that we went to Salem City. That was the first time I put my leg on the soil of Salem City.
90 what?
1968.
68, okay.
Yes.
Yes.
So before, even during that war, we were there. We went to High Court in Warri. From there he branched that place and I followed him. So we were in a place called Better Hope now.
Okay.
It's called Better Hope. We were down there. So one later, it's late now, Rossi, he asked him to go and give his plot to a dry cleaner.
Okay.
Laundry. As we were there waiting for the man to bring the clothes, the suit of Brother Lebedo. So late Ogogome, who was the treasurer of the church, came.
Ogogome.
Brother Ogogome.
Okay, it's one of the.
He was the treasurer of the church.
Okay.
So he came and said, Mr. Basuyi, how don't you like the way we greet this Hey Jehovah and Jesus Christ?
Yes.
Why can't you join us and we are working with our brother? Then I told him vehemently that I was not coming. And nothing would make me leave Roman Catholic. Because that time we believe that what the Reverend Father is telling us is the correct thing.
Okay.
And nothing more. Every other church, is nothing before us.
Yes.
So as we were arguing that thing, was telling me the benefit in joining the GKS and all the rest of it. As we were arguing, late president,
Yes.
late Brother Iti Otomewo, just ran down from the staircase.
Okay.
Said, what is it? What is the argument? They said, I told this man to join us. He's working with our brother Lebedo, don't want to join us. He said, no, leave him. Say, when it is time for him to come, he will come. I told him, guy, I know they come with me. Nothing will make me leave Roman Catholic. He said, no, I'm not arguing with you. When it is time, you will come. He said, even when you come, you will even be better than most of them you met here. I saw God only come. Say, no, I'm not arguing with you. Bye-bye. He left me. And we were still talking when he left. You see, that 1973 was the year the GKS staged the Feast of Tabernacles in Benin.
In Benin, I think that is the first ever.
That is the Benin year of a festival.
Okay.
So when I saw it and I listened to the preaching, the way they were quoting Bible, I thought they were just reciting something, not even the Bible.
Okay.
Until I came home and I took my Bible, as I begin to jot it down. From there, I begin to hear the priest quote will just be actual. That I would go there, it is actually what he has said.
Yes.
I said, how do these people climb the Holy Bible on their heads like this? So I became interested, and from there, even Brother Kome was there when we were arguing in Warri. He was there. The late Prime Master General Esimagbele was there.
Okay.
And very many other ministers. They were up to 8 that were there. I think they were waiting for president.
Okay.
So when we do that, it's okay, I should go. When God says I should come, I will come and worship Him. In a true organization, I say which one is true organization. So I left. When they came to Benin and really celebrated that feast, I became more interested because of the way they were explaining the Bible, the way they were reading the Bible, and when you go there, you see exactly what they are saying is in the Bible.
Yes.
And in the Roman Catholic, we were denied reading the Bible. That until you get to a certain stage, you don't read the Bible, you only read catechism. And in fact, the catechism, the catechist will test you. If they ask you when was Jesus Christ born, and you say December 25, then you will be baptized. If you don't say so, you fail the exam or the test, you will not be baptized. But when I heard the GKS saying that Jesus Christ was not born on 25th December, I said, what are these people saying? Proving it now, when they begin to come, that time it was only Brother 1978 when they started coming here, Brother late Vice President.
Titi?
Duatiti, yes, Duatiti and Duatoma, they are the two people preaching in television that time.
Okay.
So what they are saying, I will jot it down. You go there and read this exactly what they have told you. So I was convinced. So that is how I came in.
Wow.
And I believe that God has helped me to come in here. And I know now that I am serving God through His true organization. And by God's grace, the rest is left for me to practice righteousness as it is explained in the Holy Bible.
Thank you. Thank you. It's a very beautiful history of how you joined the faith.
Yes.
And I believe there are so many people like that who were in your shoes then, saying that they can never join the GKS because they believe that where they are is better.
Yes.
Now, ever since you joined the GKS, what can you say of the GKS?
In fact, you see the GKS, when they say GKS no rival.
Yes.
You see that statement, I think it is God that brought it to the mouth of the person who initiated it.
Okay.
That GKS no rival. And really there's no rival. When you talk of preaching, by this I'm not saying that there are no sinners in GKS.
Yes.
There are very many sinners in GKS. Because we are still, human beings. We are not infallible, so we can still commit sin. But when you talk of preaching the gospel, I don't think there's any church organization that can rival GKS. GKS no rival, it is true.
That is it. Thank you.
It's true.
Now, as for the GKS, the doctrines of the GKS, we are not saying that for those who will believe the doctrines to the end, they will have salvation.
Yes, you see, it is one thing for you to believe to the end. It is another thing for you to practice it.
Okay. So the practice is very important.
If you believe the doctrine to the end and you practice that doctrine to the end, by God's grace, you get salvation.
So, sir, how long have you been in Benin State Branch?
Right from that 73.
That 1973?
Yes. I only went out to go and work and come back.
Okay.
And you see that every year, right from that 73 down to now, to last year, I've been heading a Edo group. There's no time I don't participate in the Feast of Tabernacles. I go there, I'll be here, and my wife, my children, I thank God they are with me in GKS.
Okay, thank you. Coming to the Edo group, yes, you just, I just remember something.
Yes.
The Edo group, indeed, they have come a long way.
Yes.
Without, and that is true. It's a fact.
Yes.
I heard a particular song which was sung. If I'm not mistaken, it should be around the year 2000.
1982.
Is it 1982?
1982.
Was it 1982 you composed that song?
About GM Morobo.
GM Morobo.
Yes.
I don't know. Can you just kind of sing the song, no, I don't even for just a minute, please.
Okay.
Yeah.
You see, what motivated that song is that very many people are having some insinuations, some wrong notion about how GKS was founded and the founder.
Yes.
All the instrument God used in founding GKS.
Yes.
That he was Tower Society, was this, was that, he was a treasurer there. You know, from there when I read the book he wrote himself.
Yes.
After my 33,
my 18 years
kingdom service.
Yes.
And the diligent service of searching of the Bible.
Bible, yeah.
So I read it and I come to see that it was a self-confession.
Yes.
How he became the president of GKS.
Yes.
So it was that one I want to really educate people.
Yes.
That what other people are saying that it was in Ochawa Society and all the rest of it is not true.
Yes.
That this is how God called him. That is exactly, I took that thing from that book.
Okay.
That song, I took it from that book.
Yes.
And sang it. You see that, let me sing it as you have said now,
yes, yes.
so that
we
I'll
just want
come and interpret it.
Yes, we want our viewers to just hear the song.
Okay. Obedi me oge no sakara rode, age mamo sa o, age mami Jesu me.
Age mami Jesu me.
Oja megi tona,
Eji emurubo.
oja megi tona,
Eji emurubo.
ogi webi fu,
Eyala emi nebo.
ogi webi fu,
Eyala emi nebo.
edopa kegiru,
Samedi egbe mae.
Actually, now viewers, you can. This song was written by Brother Pa Obasuyi. But you can even concerning this song. Indeed, I can say that you actually God inspired you to put down this song,
Yeah, God's grace.
and it's our prayer that this song should go viral, not just here in Benin City branch. As our viewers are hearing this song, we want this song to go viral. We want it to even be in the media houses, whereby other people who are not even of the GKS can even hear of this song. I think it's very important for every one of us to hear of this song. And I want to say that I'm very happy to be here with you. That you're having this interview with us or with me. For our viewers out there, this is Brother Pa J.E.
Obasuyi.
Yeah, well, you answer JP
JP, that is what I obtained from Israel.
from
in
Israel.
1997.
Okay, that JP means what?
Jerusalem Pilgrim.
Oh, Jerusalem Pilgrim.
Yes.
Yes, thank you.
Yes.
So viewers, here we come to the end of this interview. We hope to come your way next time with another of our prominent member of the church by the grace of God. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.